Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, we are on unit number 13, and the name of our unit is Things Around Us. Today, I am going to deliver lecture number 18, and this is a project number 4 from your GK1 book of this unit. So, my dear students, let's recap what we did in the previous lecture. So, quickly tell me that how can we take care of pet animals? Very good. Now, how can we take care of wild animals? Very nice. Now, let's move forward towards the Islamic perspective. So, and there is no creature on the earth or bird that flies with its wings except communities like you, we have not neglected in the register a thing. So, my dear students, now let's move forward towards the pre-reading question. So, what is the difference between a hen and a bird? So, एक hen में और bird में क्या फर्क होता है? Hen does not fly very high and birds जो हैं वो काफी ऊंचा जो है वो fly करती हैं. Hens जो है ये nest नहीं बनाते जबकि birds जो है ये nest बनाते हैं. So, these are some difference between birds and hen. So, now let's move forward towards the project number 4. So, here you can see some animals on your screen. So, let's see the instructions. It is given on page number 125. So, here are some animals you see around. Observe them and find how are they different from each other. So, आपको यहाँ कुछ जानवर नजर आ रहे हैं. आपने इनको ऑब्जर्व करना है और बताना है कि ये एक दूसरे से कैसे मुख्तलिफ हैं. So, write down their names first. This is a hen. This is a honeybee. And this is a cat. Next, what we will do is, which animals has wings? What does a hen eat? Which animal can run fast? How does the cat eat? Can hen fly like sparrow? A fly and a hen have wings, eyes, legs, mouth. How are they different from each other? Use notebook to write the answer. So, my dear students, ये कुछ questions हैं जिनके आपने आंसर्स जो हैं वो लिखने हैं. आप अपनी नोटबुक को यूज करेंगे इनको आंसर करने के लिए. आई विल हेल्प यू आउट आप इनको कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टॉक अबाउट hen. Hen have wings, eat grains, corn, vegetables. Hen cannot fly like sparrow and hen is different from fly because hen cannot fly like a bee. ठीक है, एक मक्खी की तरह ये नहीं उड़ सकती. Next is a fly. A fly have wings. Flies have wings. Fly is different from birds because a fly can different from hen because it can fly. Then next is cat. Cat can run fast. It can eat meat. So these are different differences और ये आपको answers जो हैं इन्हीं questions में मिल जाएंगे. So you can pause one by one and answer the questions from these pictures. Okay. So now let's move forward towards evaluation. So quickly tell me what is the difference between hen and a fly. A hen cannot fly whereas a fly जो मक्खी होती है it can fly. So what is the difference between cat and hen? Cat eat meats. Hen does not eat meat. Cat has fur. Hen has feathers. Now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below the video or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class and then move forward. Identify how So identify how given animals are different from each other and fill the table accordingly. So hen, feathers, wings, fur. Hen has 2 legs, small legs, 4 legs. Now let's talk about their eating habits. Hen eat insects. Flies sit on different food materials. And cat eat meat So this is how they are different from each other. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for homework. For homework, you will do question number 1 on page number 125. So name any animals that has thick fur on its body. So किसी एक जानवर का नाम बताएं जिसके ऊपर thick fur होता है, and you will write down this question in your notebook. Cats, very good. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for wrap up. So in today's lecture, we have learned that hen has wings, eat grains, corns and vegetables. Hen is different from fly because hen cannot fly, and cat eat meat and can run fast. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's project. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.